Thank you for tuning in for another episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations, where I had a very brief and victorious battle with a Fender Rumble 60 bass amp. It was really just a pot replacement. So what do? When you repair the amp in the time it normally takes you to set up a shot for the intro? Well, you get some B-roll and weave it in, featuring some of the equipment that you may or may not have used to diagnose the issue. You guys don't forget to like and subscribe out there. Have a happy Wednesday. Anthony and the rest of you goons and mutants out there, I do wish y'all a fabuloso Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Yeah. So, not much to see here. This is an obligatory update for you, Anthony, because I said, hey, this is part of my process. This is what I do. Well, I fixed the thing so fast because it was just a basic issue. And like I said, I had the parts on hand. And to be honest with you, I've had these, the exact pots that fit this guy on hand for like 3 years, man. It's been crazy. I'm so happy to get rid of one of them. So this maybe I'm just your maintenance guy for this Rumble 60. And then the rest of you goons out there that are running these. So I got the pots. If you need them, I got them. So look, man, I'll just run you through. I'm sweeping a 400 hertz signal. This is a bass amp after all. Let's see if it does rumble. And I did replace, and we're talking about the volume pot here, guys. I did put a knob back on there. It's a chicken head, dude. What are you gonna do? I don't have, this is a strange little knob here. So I don't have them like this, but this is what I do have. Wow. And that's a mid scoop. Very nice. Yeehaw, mama! Oh. I like it. Beautiful. Well, it does it. Wow. For a 60 watt unit, solid state unit, it indeed brings the rumble. I like it. So I see why you're so fond of it. Wow. So I will give you a jingle and we will coordinate a pickup. And for you guys out there, Anthony is quite handy. He just came, he brought me the raw chassis right out of the cabinet. I love it. Anthony, you have no idea how small my little shop is up here, buddy. It's like 12 foot by 12 foot, man. But we get some sweet work done up here. Y'all take care out there. I'll see y'all Thursday. Bye-bye.